Hi guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I have another simple, easy recipe for you, and that is for mini pumpkin cheesecakes. Now I figured this would be a fun recipe to do since Thanksgiving is just right around the corner, and it's appropriate for Thanksgiving since it's got pumpkin in it. So anyway, let me show you how to make this really easy, quick dessert. Okay, so I'm going to start with the ingredients that you're going to need. First, you're going to need 18 gingersnap cookies. You're going to need a cup of pumpkin. Now you want just plain pumpkin, not the type that has the spices already in it. Then you're going to need 1.5 bricks or 12 ounces of cream cheese. And you want to let this soften, so you probably want to get it out about an hour before you're about to make this. Then you're going to need 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie filling. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 325, and then after that you can prepare your muffin tins. Now this makes 18 mini cheesecakes, so I've just got 2 12-count muffin tins that I'm going to use. So what you're going to want to do is take some muffin tin liners, and you're going to just put these in 18 of the spots. Okay, so once you got your muffin tin liners in, you're going to place 1 gingersnap cookie on the bottom of each one. Okay, and now that you've got that done, you can just set these aside, and we are now going to move on to our pumpkin cheesecake filling. Okay, so to make the filling, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to mix our cream cheese, our sugar, cornstarch, and pumpkin pie spice together. So we'll start with the cream cheese, sugar, and cornstarch and pumpkin pie spice. We're just gonna mix this up until it's all incorporated together. So that looks good right there. Now what we're gonna do is add our eggs and then mix again. Okay, the eggs are nice and mixed in there, and now we're going to add our pumpkin, and our corn syrup. And now we're gonna mix again for probably about a minute until all this gets all nice and smooth and all mixed together. That's what it looks like when it is all mixed together. Now what we're gonna do is take this and we're gonna pour it into our muffin tins. I'm just gonna pour this in. You wanna fill these until they're almost full, but not quite. I've got a little bit of batter left, and I am just going back and kind of refilling some of these so that they all look like they're about the same level. And here's what they look like once I've got them all filled. They're not all perfectly even or the same level, but they're close enough. So at this point, I'm gonna put these in my preheated oven for 30 minutes to start, and then I will check them. Basically, you just wanna cook them until they're firm. So I will check them at 30 and see how they're looking, and then I will be back. Okay, I let these cook for about 40 minutes and they look pretty good, so I pulled them out. And now you've got to let them cool for a good hour. So after about an hour, I will be back and show you what they look like. Okay, and this is what it looks like after it has cooled. I took it out of the little cupcake wrapper and I put a little whipped topping on it. And now my husband's gonna take a bite out of it, and that way you can see what it looks like inside too. So there's the inside. Not only are these cute and delicious, they're extremely easy to make. They would make a great addition to any holiday dinner or get together. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.